Good morning, children. Who is this? Anu Bachlas. Change your name. Who is Anu Bachlas?
Ma'am,
Good
it's me,
morning.
Amoli. Ma'am, she is
Amoli, rename yourself. Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Okay, everybody, today we are going to do English creative writing. Go and get your English creative writing copies.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, आपके इंग्लिश क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में my summer vacation quick topic.
Yes.
What we will do today?
Beta, the topic summer vacation is left to be discussed. So I will make all of you read what you have written in my summer vacation. Okay? We have two periods today. So both the periods we are going to utilize in English creative.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, but in the timetable, it's your lesson.
Yes, it's my only. So I'm taking English creative.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody else also takes English creative for you all?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Rashmi ma'am
takes, but ma'am, now Rashmi ma'am don't take.
Yes, now it has been given to me only. She only takes when it's an arrangement with you all. When she has an arrangement in your class, she takes it then. Okay, listen. All of you have written on the topic my summer vacation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there anybody in the class who is left to write on it? If you are left, I will share the this thing, value points and all on which you are supposed to write it. Anybody want to share?
Ma'am,
I've not spoken.
One by one. Akshada, what are you saying?
I have not written.
You have not written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, what are you saying, Samarth?
I'm nothing.
Kanav, what are you saying?
Ma'am, last time I have not spoken, so can I speak?
You will speak, beta. I am using both the periods today for you only to read out what you have written. Don't worry. Today, everybody will get the chance. Yes,
Excuse me,
Yashmi?
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I speak first?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Anika Verma. Say, beta.
Ma'am, I'm a new admission.
Oh, you're a new admission. Okay, welcome to class 4th C. And this is your English creative class, beta. You have to write, you are given a few topics and you have to write on those topics through your imagination, through your own creativity. Okay, you know, are you aware of this subject, English creative writing? Anika,
Yes, ma'am.
Anika, I'm talking to Anika. She's a newcomer. I know all of
Ma'am?
you are aware of this subject. Yes?
Ma'am, I can't find. Ma'am, I can't find my English creative copy. So can I do today's work in rough copy? SSC class or English creative class?
Ma'am, can I speak first?
Kanav, now I will not make you speak. Let me first clear out the doubts of the students before starting the class. Jaskaran, beta, you are not supposed to write anything. Just tell me, have you written that essay on my vacation?
Ma'am, I don't know because I can't find my copy.
Okay, you go and find. Take 5 minutes. I'm not in a hurry to start the class. Even if I'll start, any student will read. Go and just look for your copy nicely.
Ma'am, I've not written the essay on summer vacation.
What, Jasrina?
Ma'am, I have not written it.
You have not written. Okay. For those who have not written, I'm going to share screen with you once again so that you can write. Meanwhile, other students who have written will read it out. Okay. But now please wait for me to share the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't written the last paragraph.
Varshita, what did I just say? Those who have not written can write it right now. Those who have written, those who have completed will read out what they have written. It is so
Ma'am, can I speak?
simple. No, you cannot speak.
Why?
I will make everybody speak. Don't say ma'am, ma'am, I. Everybody is going to speak. Okay, now children, those who were not there in the previous class when I did this essay, keep your hands down, all of you. First, let me explain to those who have not written it. These are a few points that you can cover up in your essay writing. This is just to make your essay, this is just to elaborate your essay. How are you going to elaborate your essay? You can add these points. Now, these are the questions that are written. You don't have to write these questions as it is in your essay. What you're going to do is, these are just your helping points. Through these questions, you can add your essay. Now, Anika Verma, beta, have you written an essay before? Anika, yes or no? Okay, she's not replying. All right,
No, ma'am.
you have not written an essay. Do you know what an essay is?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done paragraph writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now what an essay is an elaborated form of a paragraph. How do we write an essay? We write an essay, we take up any topic and we write an essay in a particular format. Now, how do you write that? In the beginning, you give introduction of the topic. Suppose the topic is my summer vacation. Now, what summer vacations are, when they begin, this is the introduction of your essay. Then what you're going to do is, Anika, don't open any book. It is not given in any book, beta. All you have to do is you just have to listen to me. Then comes the main body of the essay. The main body of the essay is how you spent your summer vacation. If you went to any places, then you can mention which all places you went to, whom all you met. You met a few people when you went out anywhere or somebody came to your place. Then what all activities you participated in, what adventures you had, what new things you learned. You can write all this in the main body of the essay. Then after that, in the end, in the end, you can conclude the essay. The third paragraph is the conclusion, when we come to the end of something. Now, how do we conclude it? We conclude by writing that I did so and so, I enjoyed my days like that. But if suppose something is left to be done, you can add on there that this thing this thing by chance got missed, or I didn't get the chance to do this thing in this summer break. I'm looking for the next summer break to come and I will do so and so. Whatever you can just go on writing by your imagination. It is not necessarily a true thing. It is not based on facts that you have actually done it. You can just go on writing anything, even if you have not done it, just to make your essay an interesting one. Yes, Jaskaran, now say.
Ma'am, I have written 72 words. Ma'am, how many words?
Beta,
How
it
many
should
words
be
we have to
it
write
should
down?
be around 150 words at least.
Ma'am, 100.
50, 150.
Ma'am, but this is ending in only in 72 words.
This is no, Jaskaran,
Ma'am,
please add on a
the
little more in between. See, it is such a lengthy one.
I have written of
Okay,
121 words.
Amoli, I can hear you. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, mean I
Ma'am,
have to rub the last line.
What, Jaskaran?
Ma'am, mean I have to rub
Means
and
I have
do
to
it
do
again.
what, Jaskaran? Please be clear, beta.
Ma'am, I am saying that I have to rub it and write again.
Yes, don't erase the whole essay. Just erase the conclusion part. Maybe you have uh, written the conclusion part very soon without completing the whole body of the essay. The main body of the essay. Just try to elaborate the body and then you can write the conclusion part later. It's okay? You
Ma'am,
got it?
so can I write about next vacation also?
Next vacation also. No, better don't write. Just one vacation is enough.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done my work and I have written 143 words.
All right. That's fine, better. Okay, Shore, you were wanting to say something. You were raising your hand.
Ma'am, I want to read.
You want to read. You will get your turn to read. Don't worry. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
is it clear to all of you what is to be done, how it is to be done, what is to be written? Is it clear to all of you? Tell what again? What do you want? Bhavya? Bhavya, I was talking about the essay I gave you last week to write. I gave you an essay to write, my summer vacation. Okay, now, anybody has any doubt in how this essay is to be written?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Let's have students now who can read, who have completed, can read their essay. Kanav Mittal, start reading your essay.
Okay, ma'am. Summer vacation are a long vacation for every student.
First of all, beta, open your camera. Those who want to read will open their cameras.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, now can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Now read, beta. Good.
Summer vacation are a long vacation for every student. Students enjoy their vacation with their family and friends. I spent my last summer vacation at home. We did not go anywhere because of pandemic. So this vacation was different. We played at home, spent time reading storybooks. Our cousins came to our house and we had a lot of fun together. My mother organized a kids party in our garden with a small pool and lots of snacks. We all enjoyed it. Every evening we used to play indoor game. We used to play indoor games like carom, ludo, etc. I watched many animated movies with my family. There was a new addition in our family, a puppy. We named him Mickey. It was one of my most memorable and different vacations. Thank you.
Kanav, you have written so well. Very nice. Very nice, beta. Somebody helped you
Thank you,
out?
ma'am.
Somebody helped you out in writing it? No? Wonderful. Very good. Yes, sure.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Essay writing, my summer vacation. I went to Fun City in my summer vacation. I meet many pupils in Fun City. There were many children of my age. I participate in Pac-Man Smash and many more still day.
Okay, beta, wait. See, Shore, you are talking about the summer vacation that you have spent. That means it is past, right? Right? So in
Ma'am.
past, are you not supposed to write the verbs in past tense here? You are saying I participate. So shouldn't it be I participated? When you're talking about something in past, the verbs should also come in past tense.
Okay, ma'am. I participated in Pac-Man Smash and many more still games. At Fun City, there were many new fantastic adventures ride. I loved it the most. And we do many funny and interesting things.
We did
When
many
I was
funny and interesting things. Now make it we did.
okay, ma'am. We did many funny and interesting things. When I was tired, we get to the canteen and get some ice cream, juice, and donut. Fun
Okay,
City
we got
is
some. Okay, when we were tired, we went to the canteen and got some. Make it got some.
and got some. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Fun City is the play zone. Then I saw a roller coaster. Then ride for kids. I went.
Then
I
what?
went. Then I saw a roller coaster ride for kids. I went in that ride. Then the fun I feel, the ride, the fun feeling I feel, I can't tell you. It was my best summer vacation. Thank
All right, very good. Good try.
you.
Akshada, you want to read out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it out.
Okay, ma'am. I like my summer vacation because I like summer holidays. Summer vacations are the vacation in which we get the holidays in summer season. We get the holidays of 5 or the 30 days. I visited to Rajasthan in my summer holidays. I watched Hawa Mahal and I went to Jaipur. Did you know what it is called? It is called a pink city. I saw the deserts there. It is sand in all the sides. We were going to sat on the camp, but I started crying. I was of 3 years. I met to my maternal grandparents and I also met to my mama and
Okay,
my
beta,
mom.
wait. It is not I met to, I met. I met my maternal parents. Okay, remove that two from there.
Okay, ma'am. And we play a lot. I also swim in my small kids swimming pool.
Okay, again
My
the same
mother-
thing. Akshada, like I told to Shaurya Tyagi. You have also missed writing past tense of the verbs. You are saying I swim? No, I swam. It was in past tense. It is gone. The time is gone. Make every verb, try to make it in past tense.
Okay, ma'am. I also swim in my small kids swimming pool. My mother and my mother's sister helped me in swimming. And after the few days, I came back. I liked this adventure the most. It was so interesting and playful. I like this adventure, but next time I will go to Pachmani to meet my paternal grandparents and have more fun.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, now Samarth will read. Samarth has completed.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yatharth.
ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta. After
Ma'am,
Samarth,
can I read?
Beta, after summer, I will make you read.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes, summer.
My schools are closed and my vacations have started. So I have decided that I will go to Nainital with my family. We all wake up at 5 o'clock. We take a bath and eat breakfast at
Oh, beta,
5:30.
listen. Now, this summer vacation has taken place already, or you are thinking of spending your summer vacation like this?
No, ma'am, I'm spending.
You have spent it. This summer vacation has gone. Which summer vacation are you talking about? The upcoming summer vacation or the one which has gone?
Ma'am, the one which has gone.
Okay, read it from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. My schools are closed and my vacations have started. So I have decided that I will go to Nainital with my family. We all wake up at 5 o'clock.
Okay,
We
listen.
all
My school got over and we decided to go for a vacation. We all decided to go to Nainital. We will go to Nainital is wrong. We all decided to go to Nainital. Okay?
okay, ma'am. I have decided that I will go to Nainital with my family. We all wake up at 5 o'clock. We take
We
a
all
bath.
woke up at 5 in the morning.
In the morning, we all take a bath and eat breakfast At 5:30, we all sat in the car and go to Nainital. There were many tourists there. We also sat on the ropeway. There was a deep valley. We also go to the Nainital Zoo. There were many animals like deer, giraffe, lion, bear. We also go for boating in the Naini
Went.
River.
We also went. It should be all past tense. We went, we saw, we took bath, we ate our breakfast. It should all be in past tense. Then
The weather was cold and pleasant. From our hotel room, the view of hill houses seems like so many lights are there put on the mountain. I feel very happy there. It was very pleasant journey for me. In my next summer vacation, I will go to visit the Taj Mahal. Thank you.
okay, very nice. Good. Now, Yatharth.
My summer vacations are started in 2018 March when me and my family are going to Nani's home. After some
We were
time,
going,
we
beta, we
reached
were
my
going.
Nani's.
Listen, all of you listen to me. Those who have not included these tenses correctly in your essay, please make correction right now. Okay, just go through your essays once again and write down the verbs in past because we are talking about the vacation that has already taken place. Okay, Yatharth, you also read slowly so that you can correct whatever I tell you to correct. Take a pencil in your hand and start reading now.
We were are going to my nanny's home. After some time, we reached my nanny's house. I met my mommy's kid and we play together. Or he is very cute and little. Some days later, we are uh, planning to go Nainital. After some time, the
Some days
discussion
later,
is completed.
we planned to go to
Some
Nainital.
days later,
Hmm.
we planned to go to Nainital. After some time, the discussion is completed and we all are ready to go at our destination. And after reach the Nainital,
After reaching
first I go
Nainital,
to Nainital's zoo. Okay, ma'am. After reaching the Nainital,
why
first
the
I go
Nainital?
to
The Nainital.
Nainital's.
Do you put the before proper nouns? After reaching Nainital, don't put the there.
Okay, ma'am. First, I go to Nainital's zoo. After seeing the zoo, we go to ride
we
on a
went,
boat.
we went to,
We went to we went to a ride on a boat. At the last, a heavy rain started, and this rain is continuously going on. Thank you, Yathat Singh.
after whatever, we went for a ride, a boat ride, and it started raining. And it rained continuously. But Yatharth, this is no ending of the essay, beta. It looks incomplete. What happened then after when it was raining continuously? What happened? How did your summer vacation come to the end?
Then can I tell
You
about
didn't tell us. You didn't tell us when you returned, what happened after the rain or whatever. You stayed there for 2 more days. You had fun. You enjoyed a lot. Then you came back, and this is how you should conclude your essay. It looks incomplete. Beta, give it a good ending. Okay.
Bhavya, can I read
Can I, Yashmit?
my
Can I,
essay?
Yashmit?
Ma'am, Bhavya, can I read my essay?
Okay, Bhavya, read.
Excuse me, ma'am. I wrote 112 words.
You don't want to?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
after Bhavya, can I, Yashmit?
Beta, Yashmit, just a minute. I told Bhavya to read. Now be quiet. Varshita is asking me something.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of FAM? F-A-M?
FAM, fam.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sentence, beta, where it has been used?
No, ma'am, I only know that word. I don't know the sentence.
Fam. I have not heard this word ever. Let me just see, find out what is fam. Anybody knows what is fam?
Ma'am,
Fam meaning. A person's family. A person's circle
Okay,
of
ma'am.
close friends. Okay. Very nice. I didn't know this word. Yes, Varshita, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I wrote a little more than 112 words. Is it okay, ma'am?
Beta, it should be a good essay. See, I don't know how much Kanav wrote, but Kanav's essay was amazing. It was very nice. It should be a good, it should have good content. That's all matters.
I read.
Anika, beta, please don't do this scribbling on the screen. Yes, now
Ma'am, what
Bhavya
is the
start.
spelling of Jageshwar?
Jageshwar. J-A-G-E-S-H-W-A-R. Jageshwar. Okay. Now, Bhavya, start.
We were going from home at 8 p.m. and reached
Bhavya, how are you starting your essay, beta? Is this the beginning? Yes?
12 p.m. Nainital till 1:40 and start our journey from night only. And finally, we reach to Pangot. We take a sleep, wake up at 10:30 p.m. Pangot is also called the Hidden Valley. We we were living in a tent and do breakfast.
Okay, beta, listen to me. There's a difference between essay writing and diary entry. Now, when you include these timings, we woke up at 9:30, we had our breakfast at 10:30, we went at 12. So this is what? This is diary entry. This is not essay writing. In essays, you're not supposed to give your exact timings and all. Is that fine? You can say that for a week we went, it was a holiday of 15 days. Like that, it is fine, but don't give this timing. It is shown, it is written in diary entry, not in an essay.
We were going from home and reach Nainital. We stay at Nainital and started our journey from night only.
and finally we reach to Pangot. We take a sleep, wake up Pangot is also called Hidden Valley. We were living in a tent. We were living in. Wait a minute, please. In
Yes.
And can I tell about my essay at the book?
Athar, he stopped? Has Bhavya stopped reading?
no.
What happened, Bhavya?
And do breakfast. I also bring my Ludo game and start playing after that. And after that, I bring my camera to click photos and videos. At evening, we drink hot tea and some snacks. Na-
Okay, that's all.
And at night, we take the fun of campfire, and at night we go to sleep in tent. Next day we want to go home and eat the breakfast, which is bread and butter, and started our journey to home. In between, we get some of toys from Nainital. Na- At night, we came at home. This is my best summer vacation.
Okay, beta. But now
So
you
can I
will
tell
make the
someone?
changes. You will make the changes that I told you. Okay? It should not look like a diary entry. It should be an essay.
Now can
Yes,
I
Atharv Gupta, read.
ऐसे है मम्मी ऐसे मतलब यही होता है ना मैं लग रही वो
Atharv Gupta is not here.
आपने पढ़ा
Yes,
था ना
Summer,
Ma'am,
read.
now can I ma'am
And can I read
Where did you go, Atharv? Huh? Your class is going on, and where did you go?
I'm for toilet.
Start reading.
Summer.
Good morning, everyone. Myself name is Atavapta. Today my essay is on my summer vacation. I went to my first. I woke up. I planned for my mother and my family planned.
Mute yourself, everyone. No, Atharv, you read. Atharv, you read. Don't mute yourself.
Good morning, everyone. Myself name is Atavapta. Today my essay is on my summer vacation. My family planned to go to destination F1 city. Then they planned to go sky launch, water sports adventure. So first we go to
Atharv
we
Gupta.
go to
Atharv Gupta, show me the copy where you have written. Show me the copy. You have not written it anywhere. You are speaking on your own. This is what you're supposed to do in class, beta. All other children are fools that they have written the essay somewhere and they're reading it out. Yashmit, read, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
beta.
can I also say
No, beta, first you have to write.
essay writing?
First you have to write, Anika, then you have to read it out. You don't have to say it on your own.
Okay, ma'am.
Just start writing it. And Yashmit, I can't see your face. I can only see 3 cards on your t-shirt. Sit down, Yashmit, sit down and speak.
Everyone loves going on a vacation. We enjoy a lot. If
Okay.
there is family, we enjoy
Beta,
more.
just a minute. Everybody, please mute yourself. I can't listen to what he's saying. Anika, mute yourself, and others also. Yes, now read, Beta.
Essay writing my summer vacations. Everyone loves going on a vacation. We enjoy a lot. If there is family, we enjoy more. It also charged the new beginning. I have gone to Nainital in my summer vacation. My auntie, uncle, cousin, grandmother, and grandmother also come with us. I stayed in a resort. There was amazing food and amazing resort. I have participated in many activities like commando net, bamboo bridge, and zip line. Some games were carom, billiards, table tennis, etc. There were many spots. I had done boating in Nani Lake and seen Sunset Point. I missed many beautiful spots. I will try to go there again. When I was returning, there was a place named Pangot. It was 3 kilometers to cross, but it took 30 minutes to cross. I laughed a lot at that time. I loved it a lot. I suggest everyone should visit there for once in a year. Everyone should manage for going in a vacation. Thank you.
Very nice, Yashmit. Very good. Nicely written. Okay, now who will read? Varshita. Okay, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. I love my summers as I get to go to unknown places and learn new things. And it was the time when I was most happy. The most amazing trip was in winter. The most lovely thing about summer vacations is that I get to share my most beautiful moments with my family. The places I went on my summer vacations are Windsor and Nainital. This time I want to go to Kedarnath. In my way, I met lots of friends. I love to spend time with my family. I learned a lot on my vacation. I had lots of fun. It's fun to go on vacation. The adventures were amazing. I love my summer vacation. I was amazed. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, Beta. But you can add on a little more in your summer vacation. You can just add on a little more. Otherwise, you have written it fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now Shobit Gupta. Shobit, you want to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Okay, ma'am, I'm reading. 1 minute, ma'am.
Mokshit, have you written? Mokshit Mishra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about Akhya Goyal?
Mom, I'm writing.
You're writing. Fine. What about Summer? Summer, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. Let Shobit read. Let's listen to what Shobit
Ma'am,
has
reading.
written.
Essay writing. Write about summer vacation. In my vacations, I visited on my grandfather's house. I meet my grandparents, uncle, auntie, and I go.
Okay, Shobit, can I say something in between, beta? Now see, when you began your essay, you have straight away started with the body. You have not given introduction. I told you to give introduction in the beginning. Kanav Mittal is there in the class.